Imagine embarking on a big home project without the right suppliers or showrooms. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. The stakes are high. Poor choices can lead to delays, financial strain, and a finished result that falls short of your vision. So how do you ensure your project is a success? Let's explore the top 10 local suppliers and showrooms that can make all the difference in your home improvement journey. These carefully selected sources promise not just quality materials, but also expert advice that can guide you every step of the way. Number 1. Specialty flooring stores often showcase a broader variety of high-quality materials compared to larger retailers. These shops feature exclusive brands and unique styles that can truly elevate your home's aesthetic. When you visit, you might discover eco-friendly options made from sustainable materials. Engaging with the knowledgeable staff can provide insights into installation techniques and maintenance tips that are invaluable. Number 2. Builders Surplus is recognized for its extensive selection of home improvement products, including kitchen cabinets and bathroom fixtures. With multiple locations across New England, they cater to both contractors and homeowners. Check their clearance section regularly for high-quality items at significantly reduced prices. Don't hesitate to ask staff about upcoming promotions. Insider information can lead to additional savings. Number 3. Builders First. Source offers a comprehensive range of building materials along with expert advice tailored for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Their showrooms feature products from local suppliers and national brands, allowing you to visualize how different materials work together in real-life settings. Their knowledgeable staff can guide you in selecting the best materials for your specific needs. Number 4. Local plumbing supply stores specialize in high-quality plumbing fixtures and materials often overlooked by big-box retailers. These shops tend to carry unique brands not available elsewhere. When visiting, bring a list of your needs, but remain open to suggestions from the staff, who can provide insights into trends in plumbing fixtures and installation techniques. Number 5. Factory outlets are fantastic resources for discounted high-quality products. For example, the Craft-Made Cabinet Outlet offers a variety of cabinetry options at lower prices than typical retail outlets. Shopping at these outlets can be rewarding if you're willing to search for the right pieces, and it's wise to check warranties or guarantees on these products. Number 6. Online platforms like House connect homeowners with local contractors and suppliers while providing reviews to aid decision-making. This resource is invaluable for inspiration and checking reputations. By creating an account, you can curate a board of ideas that reflect your style preferences. Engaging with the community can lead you to lesser-known local suppliers, offering exactly what you need. Number 7. Contacting local trade associations can provide access to a professional assortment of contractors and suppliers in your area. These organizations often maintain directories of reputable businesses vetted by other professionals. Networking through these associations can lead to valuable connections, as many experienced contractors are willing to share their favorite suppliers based on first-hand experiences. Number 8. Recommendations from friends, family, and contractors often lead to discovering reliable local suppliers. Personal connections can reveal hidden gems not well advertised. Ask for specific experiences about quality, customer service, and pricing to determine if a supplier meets your needs. Number 9. Visiting local home improvement showrooms allows you to see products in person before making a purchase. These showrooms feature the latest trends in design and functionality, offering a tactile experience that online shopping cannot replicate. Bringing samples of your current materials or photos of your space helps showroom staff assist you in finding complementary options. Number 10. Habitat for Humanity. Restores offer new and gently used building materials at discounted prices while supporting a charitable cause. Shopping here saves money and allows you to find unique items that add character to your projects. Check back frequently, as inventory changes regularly, revealing new treasures. Now that you have insight into how to find trusted local contractors, visit bighomeprojects.com for an extensive directory of skilled professionals ready to assist you. Each listing includes detailed service information, customer reviews, and ratings to help you make informed decisions. By taking the time to explore these options, you can avoid the pitfalls of poor choices and ensure your home project is a resounding success. Remember, the right resources are crucial for transforming your vision into reality. Stay tuned for more tips on navigating your home improvement journey. What will your next project be? Visit our site today. Your dream home is just a few informed choices away.